Hi, my name is Sanat Biswal, also known as the Accountant Guy, and in this video I am going to demonstrate how you can set up bills payment reminder on your WhatsApp, something like this. Notice that we have set up it is Wi-Fi bills and the due date is September 20 and the payment amount is $3,000. In order to create a new bill payment reminder, you just need to click on this drop down, click on new template and start writing your bill. So let's say it is mobile bill. Specify the bill amount over here. Let's say it is $1,500 and then click on back. Once you do that, just simply click on this drop down again, click on these three dots and set the bill to repeat on a recurring basis. So let's say I'm going to pay this mobile bill on every month. Click on every month and specify the time when you are going to receive this notification. So let's say I want to receive this notification at 11:55 on every 20th of every month. Okay, I'm going to click on save. Now this is going to repeat every month on 20th and it's going to send you notification on 11:55 on your WhatsApp. For this we will also require the help of automation of Pabbly Connect, something like this. This is how the entire automation will be set up in Pabbly Connect. A detailed explanation and guide is also included once you download this template. Once this automation is set up, you will always receive notification on your WhatsApp. Once a template is set on recurring basis every month, you will start receiving notifications automatically on WhatsApp. Here we will see an addition of a new bill that will be automatically added as we have set it to 11:55 on 20th of September. So currently it's now 11:54. You will see a new notification, new item getting added up over here. There it is. You can see that mobile bill got added and now you will receive the notification on WhatsApp, something like this. Notice that we had set the notification time as 11:55 on 20th September and we got the message on 11:56. So it just takes under a minute to send the notification, which is not much time. And this is exactly how you'll receive notification on WhatsApp for every added bill for every month that you're going to set through this template. I hope this explanation was clear to you. If you need any further help and assistance, you can always reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. Thank you.